Cheers.
Hi.
This is my new place, and you can see I just moved in, so I have all my stuff everywhere. But one of the first things I did when I moved in was complete a really old project, and I'm sorry that I didn't film the progress of finishing this, but this is the dice computer that's now complete. You got all the edges. Yeah, it was just a really quick build. I haven't done any cable management on it yet, so if you comment about cable management, I'll hit you. It's just a mini ATX. The power supply is at the top, and the hard drives are at the bottom. And yeah, so that's what it looks like, and we're going to use it for a home theater PC once I get a bigger monitor for it. Welcome to another Epic PC Cases. At the moment, I'm waiting for silicon to dry, which isn't terribly exciting. However, this is for the Raven cut. So I've got the double-sided tape on, and it's incredibly tough stuff, so you don't need a lot of it. This is Project Raven for one of my clients. I haven't done the final cut yet. It's just smoothing it out and getting rid of all the melted acrylic, which, as you can see, there is quite a lot of. This is the Raven, and it looks a bit worse for wear at the moment because I've taken out all the pieces and I put it back together again. And this is the part of the logo that's been engraved out, and I'm about to do the final cut on it. This is Project Raven. It's one of the finished products, and it's going to look very nice when that's got the protective film off it and stuck on the case.